Well, I'm out for a walk and there's a blizzard. This is only the 4th of November and this is what the weather is like. It's pretty cold and it's there's a lot of snow and there's more of it. I'm now in Zawiercie, near Zawiercie in southern Poland. I've got the dog with me and we're looking for another dog, and it's pretty cold. So, right, are we going? Want to find the other dog? Yep, it would seem so. Right. So the blizzard's getting worse and we still have got no sign of the missing dog. This is the countryside. Now this is the 4th of November. Now, I remember last year there was a Guy Fawkes night, obviously in London. Fantastic, absolutely great weather. To a Chinese restaurant. We went down to Tower Bridge, took some photographs there, which I'll post on my website. And absolutely wonderful weather. And here today, and this is like this all over Poland, I had northwest Poland, so really northeast cables down, whatever. So I mean, this is in the south. Well, it's somewhere in the south. It's between just north of Katowice, and that's what it looks like. It's the blizzard. It's the hero. Wasn't, it would be very, very difficult. But even so, I mean, I've got my sunglasses on, even though it's getting dark, because the brightness. There's the dog. There's Zosia, who's looking for the missing dog. So this is what the forest looks like. It's now about 4:30. It's getting dark, and haven't found the lost dog. And what the point is, I can't find the dog that's looking for the lost dog. She's gone missing. But hopefully she's out there looking and she will return to me. And this is the view from the forest. Snow seems to have getting less, or maybe it's just because I'm in here. Protected.